What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your Facebook page name using the mobile app. Start by opening the Facebook app and tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to access the main menu. At the top of this menu, you will see your name with a small arrow beside it. Tap on that arrow and select the page you want to edit from the list. Once you've switched to the page, tap the profile icon again in the bottom right to return to the main menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, and then tap Settings. From the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section called Page Setup. Under this section, you will see your current page name listed. Tap on it to open the name editing screen. Now, you can delete the current name and type in your new desired page name. Make sure the new name accurately represents your brand, business or purpose, and that it follows Facebook's page naming guidelines. No misleading terms, excessive punctuation, or strange formatting. Once you've entered the new name, tap on Review Change. Facebook will ask you to confirm the update by entering your account password. After you confirm, your request will be submitted. Keep in mind, once the change is approved, you won't be able to update your page name again for 60 days, so double check everything before confirming. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.